I want to answer a common question in my Discord server, and that is, what is the best way, or the fastest, the most efficient way to become a game developer? Well, here's a disclaimer, a cliche, the ultimate answer from Kung Fu Panda. There is no secret recipe, there is no scroll that'll somehow teach you to be the Dragon Warrior. Now, you might be disappointed, but here's a simple answer that everybody knows, or everybody should know, but barely anybody follows. There's this amazing website called google.com. You go there and type how to learn C, how to learn C++, how to learn JavaScript, how to learn C#, how to learn Python, and so on. Of course, this is easier said than done. It's years and years of work expressed in a nutshell. But the truth is, there's no way around it. If you're social, where you always want someone to hold your hand and guide you through every single time you run into a programming issue, most likely game dev is not for you. If you're asking what's the best, most efficient way to do X, Y, and Z, it's a red flag. If you want to write your own game, you need to know how to write software. If you don't want to write it yourself, hire a programmer. If you're an artist and your main focus is on making beautiful art, that's slightly a different story. But at the end of the day, in order to write a video game, you need a programmer, whether it's you, yourself, or someone you hired. I bring this to you because I've seen a lot of Unity users that hate programming, but they still want to write their own game. Another common pattern is denying the fact that being able to apply your programming skills and knowledge requires years of work. Unless you're a genius, but just like me and the most of the population, most likely you're not. My introvertedness has helped me become and enjoy being a programmer. I don't look for human beings. I look for answers that have been answered, because statistically 99% of all your programming/game dev questions have been answered. You just gotta have enough patience to find it. If you rely on human mentors and teachers, writing your own game probably isn't for you. If you're not prepared to invest years of your life into programming or some other profession related to game dev, most likely it's not for you. Here's one important truth before I end this video. Learning Unity UI is not programming. Learning how to use an asset is not programming. Copy-pasting a few lines of C# code is not programming. I hope I've answered your question. If you still have more questions, you can reach me on my Discord server. All the links are below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.